Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of iPhone repairs and upgrades, specifically focusing on the iFixit teardown of the iPhone 17e. Now, you might be wondering, what's so special about this latest iPhone model? Well, let's find out. First things first, the iPhone 17e has been a topic of discussion among techies for its potential to revolutionize the entry-level iPhone market. One of the biggest highlights, in my opinion, is its MagSafe support. Now, you might be thinking, big deal, right? But here's the catch, the iFixit teardown reveals a game-changer for iPhone 16e owners. You see, the iPhone 17e's MagSafe-enabled back panel is not just a cool feature, it's a game-changer for those who own the iPhone 16e. iFixit's teardown shows that the back panel is fully compatible with the iPhone 16e, meaning iPhone 16e owners can add MagSafe support to their devices by simply swapping the back panel. Now, that's what I call an upgrade. But wait, there's more. The teardown also reveals that most components are cross-compatible between the iPhone 16e and iPhone 17e. iFixit even managed to boot an iPhone 17e using an iPhone 16e logic board, although Face ID didn't work. This cross-compatibility is a huge deal, as it makes repairs easier, parts easier to source, and upgrades cheaper. It's like a breath of fresh air for DIY consumers. Now, let's talk about the teardown process itself. iFixit notes that the iPhone 17e's disassembly process is very similar to that of the iPhone 16e and other recent iPhones, which means you can swap a battery without having to go through a fragile screen. But, there's a catch. Removing the USB-C port is still a complicated process, even though it needs to be replaced or repaired more often than the components it sits under. So, while the iPhone 17e is a step in the right direction, there's still room for improvement. All in all, the iPhone 17e scores a 7 out of 10 on iFixit's repairability scale, thanks to its high level of part interchangeability. This is either a deliberate effort by Apple to make it easier to repair, or a byproduct of their efforts to simplify manufacturing. Either way, it's a win for DIY consumers, including those who own an iPhone 16e. So, what does this mean for the future of iPhone repairs and upgrades? Well, in my opinion, it's a sign that Apple is listening to the needs of its customers. By making repairs easier and upgrades more affordable, they're opening up a world of possibilities for tech enthusiasts like us. And that, my friends, is what makes this teardown so fascinating. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the iPhone 17e's MagSafe support and cross-compatibility? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and analysis. Until next time, keep exploring the world of technology.